Black Friday? Big sell-off? Up to 90% off?
Whoa. Whose show's this? Mine or yours?
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, look, we've got some more gear. As you can see, we are dressed really nicely, appropriately for you. It is a Black Friday sale, though. There is a 90% sale on RSSCSports. They've been kind enough to send us the long gear. Now, if you remember recently, I've just done a video on the short, more summer stuff. This is the kit that I was sent. These are two of the outfits with the shorts. These are bibs with the short sleeve jerseys. Really nice. I haven't been out on the bike. I haven't washed that one. I've been out on the bike and I got a little bit muddy down the road, but I'm sporting a bit of an injury from a big cycle ride I did a few months ago, and it's still not quite right. So we haven't actually been out on the bikes properly. Recently been away on a bit of a trip, and I stepped on a spiderfish and got poisoning. So my leg is a little bit swollen at the moment, so I can't actually get out on the bike to do the testing on these outfits. They've sent me the long sleeve jerseys now, and the long trousers. These are a bib version as well, excuse the hairy chest, but these come in a bib. I'm not really one for bibs. I've never really used them before, so I'm interested to get out on the bike and see what they're actually like when you're actually out on the bike. They do the female version. This time we've got the female kit and the male kit. They are a slightly different shape, a little bit of a different contour. They've got the lovely padding in them as well. So this is the basic kit I went for because I wanted something dressed down a little bit. I wanted something darker and more mountain bikey. Because I'm more of a mountain bike rider than I am a road rider, I thought this was quite nice with the chain links on the side. It's got a nice bit of pattern down the legs because I didn't want like the plain legs like Marta's ones, even though they're actually quite nice because they've got a black and like a silvery grey effect on the leg, so they're actually a two-tone leg, which is actually quite nice. But yeah, they've got a little bit of pattern, they've got some writing down the side. Now they are a long jersey as well, they're quite long, they come down over your bum a little bit so that when you're riding you're bent over, it's actually keeping your back warm. There's a nice reflective strip, it's got a nice rubber banding all the way around the bottom of the two. This is the thinner version though, even though these were sent to us so we can use them in the winter, these are the thinner version. This is the full polyester, so these are 100% polyester jerseys, and I think they're an 80% polyester with a 20% spandex trousers or pants. They do another version as well. They do the fleecy version, which I think they call it a valet on their website, which is fleece lined, which would be really nice. And they have promised they're going to send me some fleece ones, which would be great for Marta because she's a little bit of a, you don't like the chill, do you? She likes to be dressed up nice and warm, whereas I can probably manage. Yeah.
You're just hot all the time.
I'm always hot all the time, yeah, look at... Definitely. But yeah, if they go for the fleece ones, if you want something that's riding in the winter. But yeah, I think this would be quite nice for riding on the mountain bike. And Marta went for that kit because, well, happily ever after, why not? She liked the design, liked a bit of a colour on it, and it's a bit more girly. So she's gone for that sort of design and that idea. But again, it's mainly black, so it's a little bit more dressed down rather than elaborate and in your face. They do so many different designs and colours. It's really hard to pick one or two that you know, if you're just buying one kit, it's really difficult to find a kit that you like, or I like, because I like about 20. Yeah, really hard to pick the ones I actually want. Now they're from Hong Kong. They've been going from 2022. They're recently, you know, quite a new company, I suppose, only a couple of years old, but they really are trying to put the game out there and really trying to play the game. They're cycle enthusiasts, so they know their stuff, they know what gear works, and they know how to make it. You can have a design that suits you. They do the classic designs, which are more like these. They do the retro designs. They do the sporty colour designs. They do the more professional looking suits. They've got all sorts of colours. If you want something more pet orientated, they do something to suit you. They do all the designs that you want, but also they'll also custom make them as well. And as for custom making, they did something very special for us this time, and it was really nice because they've got a design on there that I liked, and I wanted something a little bit colourful and elaborate, and Marta wanted a matching outfit so we can actually, when we're out going cycling, we can actually be a little bit quirky and go out looking matching together. So bear with me 2 seconds and we'll come back and show you exactly what it is we picked this time, and I'll tell you what it is they did for us. And this is what we got. This is what we picked. The two of us, crazy enough, decided we were going to go with something matching, wacky, but extremely colourful and exciting. Yeah, we wanted something colourful and exciting. We do a few charity events. Marta's into the Polish community, and she's got a charity event coming up soon, and there's a cycle ride. So we thought if we got matching gear, we'd look quite good together. Unfortunately, it is January when it's going out, so we do need to talk RSSC to send us some nice fleece ones for the journey. But yeah, no, we wanted matching kit. Now, when I said this was a special kit, on the website, the jersey was a long jersey, full colour, all the way around, beautiful colourful jacket. I thought it looked really good. I love the alien design on it as well. But the trousers were plain black. for the ladies and the men. They were plain black bibs, and I wanted something more colour. So I said to him, I said, can you do like they do with other designs? Can you do like a colourful leg to match the jacket? Yep, straight away they emailed us back, said no problem whatsoever, we'll do exactly the same as tops as bottoms. They sent me a photograph. Do you want something like this? Now, it was completely coloured all the way down, including like the crotch area and the padded seat and everything. It was all colourful. I thought it was too much colour, so I said, can you not put the black paneling in, basically, so you've got a black seat, for the padding. So it just breaks it up just a little bit. No problem. Next email, come back, what, like this? Done. And this is what they sent us. Absolutely amazing. So if you do see a design on there, and you want the same colour bottoms as the tops, so you want your retro top with a retro matching bottom, or a more classic, sporty, streamlined, professional looking top with matching bottom, just ask them. I'm sure they'll do something for you.
It's quite amazing, isn't it? Being able to be so versatile, so flexible.
It's brilliant, totally, yeah. They also do custom designs as well. This is where I was coming into. They do an own custom design, so they'll make a design to suit you. So if you've got a design, a team sport, a team colour, a charity event that you want to get a kit or something, they will do a custom design to fit you. So just speak to them about that and they'll do that. Not only do they do the short kits, men and women's kits, they do the kids kits as well. They also do cycle covers. So they do the wheel covers that flex around the wheels, keep your wheels tidy. So if you put them in the back of the van or your back of your car, or you've got them in the living room, they keep the wheels tidy and clean, which is, I think, so fantastic. And you can get them to match your kit as well. They also do beanie hats, they do neck tubes, they do socks, shoes, proper cycling shoes. They also do hoodies and tops, and they do loads of stuff on their website. So it's worth checking out the website and have a look and see what it is you fancy, what it is you're after. And like I said, at the moment, a Black Friday deal on. They're doing up to 90% off. Now, I've already been on and checked some of the prices for you. This kit was around, I think it was around £60. Let me just have a quick look. I'm going to give you an honest price because I have actually wrote it all down for you. So yeah, this was £63 for the long kit. It's now £40, so that's a massive saving. That is a huge saving. Wheel covers us from 28 down to 20. The short sleeve kits that I've got here, these were 47, now 34. So they're well worth having a look now for the Black Friday. They really are in a good thing. Now, I've gone for a large Christmas presents. If you want something seasonal, they do the seasonal kit as well. They do the women's kits and the men's kits with the Santa stuff. They've got all the Santa stuff on. Imagine doing a cycling trip, so you're out cycling with your mates over Christmas and things like that. For 40 quid, you can get yourself a whole long kit, or for a lot less, for 30 quid, you can get yourself a short kit and then have the sleeves, because they do all the sleeves as well. I use these sleeves when I've got the short kit on. I put the sleeves on as well, so you can have the sleeves to pull them up, so you're actually getting your arms covered up. They're good for the summertime and stuff like that if you like the short ones. And they also do the leg length ones as well, so they do the sleeves if you want them. And you can have these again, colour matched for all your kit, so you can actually pull the sleeve off. I think it's a really brilliant idea. They really are out there trying to do it. So their mission is, their mission is to make cool looking high quality gear. So
definitely cool.
It's definitely cool. Yeah, I think this is really funky. I can't wait to get out and see people's faces when we're riding along alone, dressed as two alien creatures.
Or two pigs.
Or two pigs. Yeah, no, we've got a cow outfit, haven't we? The cow outfit. They sent us a cow outfit on the short one. If you haven't seen it, have a watch the video. We've got cow outfits as well, which I just think is brilliant. I got that for my charity event that was going on, but they just didn't turn up quite in time. And they've also got pockets on the back. Just sort of mention this. They've got pockets on the back, so there's 3 pockets, all stitched in, and it's great for keeping your phone in or your energy gels. And it's not sweeties, no. She does like the sweeties. You've got to keep them away from her. But yeah, great for keeping your phone in. And, maybe you've got a little jacket or something you want to keep in the back. Now, I would love to see some pockets in the trousers.
Yeah.
Because I do like to have my phone where I can see it and feel it. And if I put a little rucksack on or something, I can't get anything in the pockets. So having the university of having a side pocket. Now, I know you professional cyclists out there want to be completely streamlined. You don't want anything in the way. I get that. But having the option to have a pocket or not a pocket, I'd rather have the pocket and not use it, rather than not have a pocket and not be able to use it. So if RSSC, I know you're going to be watching this, stick us some pockets on our next kits. I love a pocket in my trousers, just so I can drop my phone in it. It's just really handy. Anything you think? Anything you want to mention?
I just can't wait to get out there.
And actually try them out on the bike.
Sorted, and then just get it on the bike, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
how it actually feels. And I think, you know, the quirkiness about them, the design and everything, I'm hoping to bring loads of smiles in other people's faces.
I think that's what it's about, isn't it? I think wearing something like this, people are going to smile when they see all these big cheesy faces on here and the teeth.
Happily ever after. I mean, come on.
Yeah, no, there's loads of stuff. Like I say, if you're into your pets, they do lovely animal designs and cat designs and things like that. So they've got a load. Also on the trousers, let me just show you the padding. Now I've taken these off. So there's your padding. It's a really good, well made. It feels really good. I'm really looking forward to actually trying it out on the bike, on even for a long distance. But so we've got listed on here as a double arrow saddle. Good quality, good thick padding. So I'm really interested to see how that works out.
It's also, it doesn't look like you've got a diaper, and it doesn't feel like you've got a diaper.
Yeah, it doesn't.
It actually, it sits quite well on your bum.
Also on the bottom of the trousers as well, on these long ones, they've got a full zip there, so you can get them over your trousers, over your shoes, if you needed to. I don't know why you would, but yeah, there is a zip there, just so you can get your feet in. Yeah, and there is the elastic. You can see you've got that rubber strip across there, and because that rubber strip's on it, stops it from riding up. But yeah, no, really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for RSSC for sending this kit. Again, it's a privilege. I love this stuff. I love doing the videos and showing you guys the kit and stuff, and I just enjoy it. And I'm really looking forward to getting out in this. So till the next one, whether we're either going to be on the bike riding it and showing you it actually in use, or they're going to send us, please, the nice warm fleece version so we can actually use them in.
For him, it's okay. It's for me.
I don't want to cover it up with a coat. That's the problem. I've got cycling jackets as well and stuff like that, and I don't really want to cover it up. If I've got a nice design like this, a nice colourful, I want to be able to show it off. So yeah, it'd be nice to actually do something for the charity event when we do that in January and have matching kits so we can have a bit of a laugh. So yeah, if RSSC is going to sponsor us for that one, then we're definitely up for that. So we do need the thick ones, please. Yeah, that's enough. Ciao for now. See you soon. And yeah, check out the other video for the short stuff. I did probably do it a little bit more professional. This was just literally, I wanted to show you what the kit was all about. Bye.
See ya.